Today we are doing the fourth treatment on the first series of cranial facial release, and this is the time that we do the majors. So we had three major holes that were restricted: his upper left, his upper right, and his lower left. So I'm going to start with the upper left. Good, Mike. Flex your feet, good. Woo! Oh, that was big. Good job. You can just keep filming. Woo! Get a lot of cracking on that one?
Yes.
Yeah, that was deep. You were saying you've been feeling a little bit of soreness through this area as those bones start to change shape.
Yes, on
Yeah.
this side.
All right, we're gonna do the upper right this time. Here we go. Good. Woo! One more, my friend. This is the majors. This is the big change. We will take another picture afterwards to see how much the skull has changed shape. Last one here. Lower right. So there's 3 different holes that you can work into each nostril. Here we go. Good. Man, you all right?
Yep.
Awesome. You can turn that off.